Here is a quick little dinner for you. We're just going to get started on this. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will oil an 8 by 11 baking dish. And you can always double this recipe if you'd like. You'll need either a rotisserie chicken or what I've got, and what I've got is some leftover turkey. And this is a great way to use your leftover turkey at Thanksgiving and Christmas. And then once you've got your 8 by 11 oiled, you can just lay your turkey right in the baking dish. You aren't going to believe how easy this is. And then grab a can of cream of chicken, and you're going to put that in a bowl. Then you will need some sour cream. And we are going to add about a half a cup of sour cream. Let's go ahead and give this a stir and mix this together. Then you will need some celery seed, and we are going to add 1 teaspoon of celery seed to this. And did you know that celery seed is a great source of iron, and it is so good for bone support? Then we are going to add about 1 cup, maybe 1.5 cups of mixed vegetables. And these are just the steamable mixed vegetables. I believe I get these. You can get them at Kroger's or Aldi's, most grocery stores, and they are perfect for this dish. Go ahead and mix this together, and we are just going to put this right on top of that turkey or chicken if you prefer. But this, again, is a great way to utilize that leftover turkey or leftover chicken. And then just spread that out. And now for our final ingredient. I am just going to top this with some homemade breadcrumbs, and I have a few videos on that if you want to look back, but these are whole grain breadcrumbs that I like to use and make, and we're just going to top this with maybe a half a cup. And then I melted about 2 tablespoons of butter. I tried not to get too carried away with the butter, but I just felt like it needed a little butter. So I melted 2 tablespoons of butter and just poured this, drizzled it right on top. Then in the oven we go. And again, that's 350 degrees, and about 30 minutes later, voila, supper is served. This was so easy to make, and it was delicious, absolutely delicious.